I'm here today to talk to you all about how to use the Haakaa Pump. Hi, I'm Lauren, founder of One Mum and Midwife, registered midwife and mum of 4. So how to actually use your Haakaa Pump correctly. First, what you're going to do is you're going to line up the center of the flange, which is this top bit here, with your nipple. So your nipple is going to go into the middle there. Next, you're going to squeeze the base of your pump and then gently release, and that is what's going to apply that suction for you. Now you may need to adjust the pump and take it on and off a few times to find a comfortable position that works for you, and that is totally okay. Now remember, when you are expressing using your Haakaa Pump, it should not be painful for you at all. So if this was painful whilst you were expressing, you would check 2 things. So first, you would check to make sure that your nipple is in the middle of the Haakaa Pump and not pressed up against the top, bottom, or any of the sides. And second, if it was still not comfortable for you, you would reduce the amount of suction. So the more that you squeeze this body of the pump, the harder the suction is going to be. So you may need to fiddle around with the suction until you find one that suits you. So the Haakaa Pump can be used as a pump on its own, or it can be used to help catch your letdown whilst you are feeding your baby on the other side. You tend to get more breast milk or more letdown out when you are breastfeeding a baby on the other side, as it does stimulate your body and really maximize those hormones that you're producing to stimulate that milk to flow. Now, when you are using the Haakaa Pump with the suction, it is actively drawing that milk out, so that is something that needs to be considered. And if you are using it just to simply catch letdown, you may want to not put as much suction, if any suction at all, to help catch that letdown, just to be cautious of your supply as well. If you find that you aren't getting much milk using your Haakaa, there are a few things that you could troubleshoot. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have enough suction that it is actively drawing that milk out, but also you want to make sure that you're calm and relaxed and thinking about your baby, so thinking all of those love oxytocin hormones to help get that milk flowing. Another way to stimulate your milk to flow is to put a warm flannel on your breast first, as the warmth will help that milk flow down through the ducts. So what are the benefits of using a Haakaa Pump? Well, the benefits are that they are 100% food grade silicone, so they are so safe. There's no nasties in there for you or your baby. They're small, lightweight, easy to use. You can throw them in your handbag, so you always have it with you no matter where you are. They also can be used as both an active pump or to simply just catch letdown that would have been wasted into your bra. So now let's go through the differences between all of the generations of the Haakaa Pumps. So first of all, we have the Generation 1 pump. Now this pump is all silicone, it is one piece, it comes in 100 mils, and it doesn't have the suction base. So the main difference between the Generation 1 pump and the Generation 2 pump is the suction base. The Generation 2 pump also comes in either 100 mils or 150 mils. Then we come to the Generation 3 Haakaa Pump. Now the Generation 3 pump comes in some bigger sizes, so it comes in 160 mils or 250 mils. The silicone walls are slightly thicker and the suction that it is able to provide is increased. You can also swap the top of the pump out for a bottle top and use it directly as a bottle to feed that milk to your baby. So those are the differences between the Haakaa Generation 1, 2, and 3 pumps, so that you can find the one that is right for you and your family. So you may be wondering, how do I clean my Haakaa Pump? Well, being just breast milk, the Australian Breastfeeding Association guidelines tell us that breast milk does not need sterilisation. It only needs washing in hot soapy water. So you can either put your Haakaa silicone pump into a pot of boiling water for around 2 minutes, or you can wash it in some hot soapy water. It is completely up to you.